Hi everyone, it's Miss Robin. I'm making this video to explain to you what your assignments are for today, March 25th. So when you go to your Google Classroom, at the very top of the page, you're going to see a heading that says Daily Activities for Wednesday. I want you to go through the activities, and before you click on them, notice on the title it's going to say optional. Mrs. Mulqueen asked us to make sure that you guys know that anything that's PE, art, or music or science, those are all optional activities that you are welcome to do, that I'm giving you access to, but also it's a lot of content and we don't want anyone to get frustrated or overwhelmed. So also on the topics, you're going to see directions that say maybe choose one activity. Or in the comments section, it may give you directions for the assignment. So today on Wednesday, we have OT and we have music. I am working on posting a video for music. It's just taking a while, so I might have to choose something else. But if there is a music video posted and you do choose to do that, then please maybe clap to the beat or stomp your feet or dance or sing along and just have fun. For occupational therapy, that's a little tricky if you choose not to print out the worksheet, but there's still lots of ways that you can participate in the OT activities. You can trace the letters on the screen. I did an ocean theme because I hope you had a chance to look at our virtual field trip and check out the zoo webcams across the world. I ate my breakfast with a naked mole rat the other day on the Smithsonian webcam, which was really cool. He was eating apples and lettuce, and it looked like maybe squash, and I was eating oatmeal. You could also trace the letters on your desk or table, or you can get some shaving cream out and trace, or if you have Play-Doh at home, you could form letters. So there's still lots of ideas that you can do to access occupational therapy services while you're at home. That's about it. Please still reach out to me through email if you have any questions, and I hope everyone stays safe and healthy and happy, and I miss you guys and can't wait to see you soon. Bye.